I'm going to pour in 2 eggs.
What are 2 eggs?
Yep.
That means the chicken died?
Whisk it up.
Wow, you're a cereal.
You can't say silly.
I
Silliest
said serial killer. Yeah.
serial killer.
Don't
All
worry.
right. Whisk that real good.
So, this is going to be good when we're done.
That's right. He's been wanting me to make this all week, so I told him we'd do it today. Now, I want you to add a 1/2 cup of sugar.
1/2 cup, like all of it?
All of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
So, you can pause here, and you can copy it. It doesn't matter.
That's right.
There we go. Just
Good
pour
job.
it in.
Whisk all that in real good.
Look like we're making eggs.
I know. So I'm going to wait until it gets it all combined. All right, now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
That's brown sugar.
That's brown sugar.
It looked like cookie sugar.
It is. You can use it in cookies. Good job. You can set that over by your microwave. Perfect. Mix that all in good.
We got some cinnamon in there. Oh yeah, and kids, do not drink cinnamon.
That's right. I don't know who
I mean it. I mean it. Right
That's not good, is it, Anthony?
Uh-oh.
All right. Now I want you to pour in a 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, of melted butter. Pour it in there.
Butter!
Yeah, mix that in there good.
Or what do I put this?
Over on top of your other stuff. There you go.
You can do the same thing like this.
That's right. We're not worried about that, are we?
Nope.
All right, now I want you...
To put some cinnamon.
Yep.
How much?
Nope, this is vanilla.
Vanilla!
Vanilla.
Mm.
I'll tell you when. Go slow. Good.
Then
So
put
it's
on
about a teaspoon of sugar.
Yeah,
I mean,
two-
vanilla.
Nah, you got it.
Yeah.
This looks kind of good, actually.
It's going to be very good.
When we're done with it.
Keep mixing. You got to get... Look, let me teach you something. Keep it going.
I'm a kid.
That's right. That's why we're learning, right? Ooh, sorry.
You got it on my favorite shirt.
I'm so sorry.
That's fine.
All right, now I want you to add a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. There you go. Mix all that together. It's going to get harder, but you just keep mixing. My little chef extraordinaire.
One thing though. This is one game of Would You Rather. So we're going to do this every day when we cook. So today's Would You Rather is, would you rather have a Spinosaurus or a Brachiosaurus?
Oh, that's an
Write that
easy
down
one.
in the comments.
That's
Write
an
that down.
easy one for me. A Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus.
Get the sides. Yeah.
But there's an easier way
Here.
to say Brachiosaurus.
You hold this and let
There's
me
a-
do that. You watch the food.
There's a easier way to say Brachiosaurus. It's called Brontosaurus. Like
Oh,
people.
a Brontosaurus.
It's the same thing.
Oh, man.
Oh man.
Okay. Trying to get all this combined.
Is this hot?
No.
No.
Nothing's hot yet.
Ah.
Oops. It wasn't hot.
Yeah.
All right, Anthony. Ooh, this is smelling good. I want you to put a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips right in here.
Ooh, chocolate chips. And I'll do this part.
Okay, well, I want you to fold them in. Fold means go under and over.
Oh.
Under and over. Perfect. Under them. Oops. And over. Under and over. Beautiful. Keep doing that. Get them all in there. Don't squish them. We want them to be whole. Okay, get over on the other side. Get all the way around. You know what? That doesn't look like enough for me. Hold on. I'm going to go get more.
More.
Chocolate chips.
Yeah.
We really like chocolate chips, so I'm going to add a little bit more.
Yeah, that's why I walked over here and just ate one.
You did?
Yep.
All right. Mix, fold them and go under and over. That's called folding.
I know how
Perfect.
to fold.
Perfect.
I'm home.
Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Good girl. How are you? Good. Okay, that's good. Okay. Anthony is going to spray. Okay, Anthony.
Ooh, that smells good.
So, turn that around. That's my bacon. Turn it around where I can see the... This is my special Pam bacon. It's got flour in it. And he kind of went to one area, but that's okay. That's how we learn, right? We just want it everywhere. There you go. All right. So now I'm going to have Anthony unroll the pie crust. Do it very gently, Anthony. You can lay it down. and start slowly unrolling it. Hold it with this hand. There you go. Perfect. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. Good job. Oop, is it start? All right, we'll start. Really take your time to get this unrolled.
Whether a warning was issued or not, that's when I would say if I was in this area and I was to be specific, that I would take a shelter.
So I'm going to try to piece it back together.
2 hours later.
Right?
Yeah.
That's good enough. All right, Anthony, now pour that whole mixture on top. Can you do it?
I'm not sure.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, that smells terrific.
Hold it tight, and we'll try to get all those delicious chocolate chips out. You okay?
I eat the bowl.
I know, it's going to be so good. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we're just going to spread this out all over this pan.
Holy smokes, look all those chocolate chips.
This is going to be amazing.
Look at that.
And this was Anthony's idea. He's the one that wanted to make this.
Yep. So, I know it's not Christmas, but we're using a Christmas one.
Yep.
So it doesn't matter.
Yeah, this says Happy Holidays.
Subscribe.
I use it.
Subscribe. I'm serious, so subscribe.
All right. I think that's going to be perfect.
Let's
Oh.
get, like, 10 subscribers.
Oh, if we could get 10 subscribers, that would be amazing. Okay,
Yeah.
Anthony. The oven is preheated for 325.
325.
I'm going to put it in here for 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it around in 20 to 25 minutes more.
Alright, that's
Let's
going to
put
be
it
a
in,
long
Anthony.
time.
Let's see.
I really want to eat it right now in
No,
the
we gotta
oven.
let it. Oh, does that look good?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So it's been in the oven for like
It was.
4 minutes.
It was 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
That's like, let me just little touch. Boop, boop. Yeah. But I have to stick it in the
Just to
middle.
make sure it's done. Looks good.
Yep.
So now we're gonna let it cool down, and we'll be back when we're gonna taste test.
So-
Look at that.
Oh, let me do the taste.
All right, give me
The taste test
the
time.
taste test.
3, 2, 1.
Is that
Perfect.
good? Oh, good.
So, remember to try this at home. Like and subscribe. Bye.
No, I did. I liked it.